this is how the code works. First, it will repeat moving at 500% speed until if the third port distance is at less than 26 cm, or port 1 or port 2 is pressed. Where if port 2 is pressed, it will move backward at negative 300 degrees, and it will pick a random number degrees from 420 degrees to negative 420 degrees at 50% speed. I use a pick random so that it will move at a different direction every time. Or if port 2 is not pressed, it will just start moving at this speed. But if port 1 is pressed, it will move backwards again. It will move backwards at negative 300 degrees and then move at a random number between 420 degrees and negative 320 degrees at 50% speed. If not pressed, it will just start moving at 500% speed. But if none of these two are activated, this will this will if port 3 distance is less than 26 cm, the robot will move backwards at 300 degrees and then pick a random number between 420 degrees to negative 420 degrees at 50 negative 50 speed.